Hello, these are fork slider covers, and I bumped into a car the other day and I'm going to take these off. I'm going to try to show you an easy way to do it. Aftermarket. First thing what I did was take off the fender because that was a real mess. Now take the brake calipers off, this bolt and that bolt and this one. I got it supported by a couple pieces of wood under there just so I didn't want the tire to drop out, and that's gonna fall out probably on the ground. That's okay. A couple of spacers and roll that thing out. Yeah, I put that over there. Make sure it don't fall over. You don't want to bend the rotors. You don't have to do this in order. I don't. Okay. A little bolt there. I mean a little nut and bolt right there, and then one back there. And this one you just loosen. Remove this one completely. You just pull it up like that. Pop it off. And unplug it this way, just like that, and you unplug it right there. Get that and that one. Yeah, a little rubber seal. And that one. Loosen that grip bolt. And grab a hold of it, pull it up down here. Now you can take that bolt and then one other, take it off and replace it. And same way with this one. Might as well do them both at the same time. And stand it up. Just stand it up in a corner or something like that. That one there is being a little bit more difficult. So this fork actually came out. What I did was I added some WD-40, just a little bit right here and a little bit up here, and let it sit overnight, and that loosened it up enough where I could pull it out. And I just bolt it right up there. You just go on with the seam. Of course that seam goes to the back. And if you're wanting to take off some of this rust and stuff, you'll have to take it off with steel wool or wire brush. Never Scotch-Brite. Scotch-Brite will ruin the surface. And put that down. And put the nut back on. And now you can put the pinch bolt back in. Yeah. There we go, I think I get it. And remember, putting the spacers in, this one is different than this one, so you want to make sure that you get the right one on the right side. Otherwise your brakes will be, your wheel actually won't move.